Hi everyone, this is Sarah Finley from ENT 645 and I'm going to be identifying my ideal client for Profin. So first a little background. Profin is a high-end yarn shop located in downtown Denver, Colorado. We pride ourselves on only carrying high-quality fibers that are both ethically sourced and sustainable. So to begin the process of identifying our ideal client, we have to first take a look at a few variables, including demographics, geographics, psychographics, and behavior graphics. And I'll briefly define each of these. Demographics looks at age, gender, and income, and geographics is about location. It segments the market by areas such as country, city, region. Psychographics looks at the attitudes, interests, values, and beliefs of the customer, and behavior graphics examines purchasing patterns, brand loyalty, and also the benefits sought by the customer. So let's look at how these relate to Profin's ideal client. I chose to focus on three demographics: gender, age range, and income. I decided to focus on women because knitting is a woman-dominated craft. Although there are a very small amount of men who do knit, I'll be focusing nearly all of my attention on women. Age range 25 to 65. I made this decision based on my experience interacting with other knitters via social media, throughout the years from my online business. And I've learned that knitting really appeals to women of many different ages. And for income, we're going to start at $40,000. Profin's prices are higher than big box stores because it offers a higher quality product. So the ideal client who shops here will have some disposable income. Profin is located in downtown Denver. For the purposes of gaining more foot traffic into the store, I'll be targeting people in the Denver and surrounding areas within a 25-mile radius. I like the 25-mile radius because it includes a lot of surrounding towns, roughly 30, and it's close enough distance for people to travel to the store. Profin's clients are, in a word, mindful about their purchases. They care very much about the quality of the items that they purchase and are willing to pay more to ensure they get it. They also want to support a brand that's in line with their personal beliefs regarding high ethical standards and sustainability. They value experience and want to come to a beautiful modern store and spend time shopping and connecting with other like-minded people. So looking at purchasing patterns, for Profin, the ideal client is one who does not make impulse purchases. They give a lot of thought before making a purchase because they want to be certain they are choosing a high-quality product. And once they find a brand that they love, they tend to be very loyal. They are also frequent purchasers. Knitters love trying new patterns and building up a large collection of yarn. Finally, when it comes to spending habits, as previously mentioned, they are willing to invest a good amount of time and money to get a quality product. One way to understand behavior graphics is to take a look at the ideal customer's past purchase history, as well as their online search activity. Google Trends is a really great resource to find what your ideal customer is searching for. For example, using Google Trends in my target area, I might find a high search result for knitting classes, and that could be something I might want to think about adding to my shop. So it's a great way to let the ideal client tell you what they want without asking them directly. So now that we have a better idea of who our ideal client is, we can start looking at how we're going to reach them in the marketplace. Again, I'm going to be targeting the Denver and surrounding areas within a 25-mile radius. In total, I was able to gather census data for 26 surrounding cities. I learned that the median average income of all 26 surrounding cities combined is $82,946.46. And this average is a lot higher than what I expected to find, which is great. And the average percentage of women in all cities combined is 50.25%, with the lowest being 47.3% in Fort Lupton. So one of the first places that I would begin to reach my ideal client is through geo-targeting with Google AdWords. So Google AdWords is a pay-per-click advertisement service. It allows your ads to appear to your ideal clients in the Google search network through keyword matching. So for example, if you own a knitting business, your ads will show up when a Google user types in the word knit shop in Denver, Colorado. Of course, there are many other related keywords that you can use that aren't as obvious as knit shop, and they'll allow your ad to show up to your ideal clients. So you can see I added a few keywords here, and you can play around with your keywords and try and see which ones are better than others. But I was able to get a pretty good potential audience size of 28,565 people per month. Another marketing channel that I would use to reach my ideal client is Facebook. So Facebook ads are different from Google ads in that they allow for more precision by really letting you get specific about the ideal client you are targeting. And as you can see, Facebook ads allow you to target by location in a few ways. You can target by everyone in this location or even people who have recently been in the location. I chose to target everyone in this location. Next, you can narrow your ideal client down by entering your target location. So I set mine to Denver and the surrounding 25-mile radius. And another great thing about using Facebook ads for location targeting is you're able to get individuals who have visited certain places that are nearby your store. This can include maybe an airport, a restaurant, any places that people on Facebook check into. If it's close to your store, you're able to market to those people and maybe hopefully, get them into your store. So for me, a good place to add might be the 16th Street Mall. It gets a ton of foot traffic and it's only a few blocks from my store. In addition, I added in some more details related to my ideal client's interests. And adding as many interests as possible really allowed me to boost my potential reach number. So you can get really narrow with Facebook ads. In addition to interests, there are even more ways to get specific using Facebook ads. You can include certain demographics. You can type in income, behaviors. So this is a really powerful way to reach your ideal client, in my opinion. In my case, I was able to reach 420,000 people, and that's a lot more than I expected. So I really like that Facebook ads allow you to customize your ads and make sure that they're getting in front of the right people. And Facebook has billions of users, and they have all this information on their users, and it's really great to be able to take that information and sort of tailor your ads to the right people. In order to stand out from the competition and attract people to your business, you have to be able to identify a real problem within the marketplace and then offer a creative and effective solution. So in the case of Profin clients, when they walk into a big box yarn store, they have very limited options. They'll likely only find mass-produced yarns that contain synthetics with little to no information about where the yarn was sourced or how it was dyed. If they have a question about something technical, or even if they're just looking for a little inspiration, they're likely not going to be able to find it. These are very common frustrations for many knitters. Profin offers a solution to those problems. When the ideal client shops at Profin, they can trust that they are getting a high quality, ethically sourced, and sustainable product. And they feel good knowing that they're investing in their craft and in their passion, and supporting a company that's in line with their values. Finally, they're able to enjoy the experience of shopping with other like-minded crafters in a beautiful and welcoming community environment. So that's going to wrap up this presentation. Thank you so much for following along, and I look forward to reading your comments.